Hi, I'd like to show you the shelving I made in my garage. It is 4.8 meters long, that is 16 feet, and it is 3.5 meters tall, that is I think 11 feet and 8 inches tall on the highest shelf. The shelves are made out of half-inch OSB, and the frame is made out of 2x4s. And I drilled the 2x4s to the wall studs with 6-inch screws, 2 screws per stud. Then I just screwed the front 2x4s right into the 2x4s on the wall. Then I screwed these beams, these are also 2x4s, into the frame. Then I unscrewed the front part and pulled it back 60 centimeters. Then I screwed the OSB shelves right into the frame. It cost me about €300 to make. That is, I think, about $350. With only three 2x4s on the front, it is still plenty strong. I can't get any sway on the shelves. And cool thing about this shelves is that I only used handsaw and electric screwdriver to make this. And I didn't even use any ladders to make this, because I made the 4 bottom shelves on the ground, and then I made the rest from the fourth shelf. And now I just need to get a ladder to utilize the 3 top shelves. And it took me, I think, 2 evenings to make. It was very easy and swift project to make, and it helps tremendously to keep the garage clean and keep me organized. Thanks.